lovelies, welcome back. It's your girl Katie here, and today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of May's Boxycharm Premium box. So I'm just going to be showing you guys what all I got this time around, tell you guys prices and all that good stuff. So to no further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, so as usual, I did go ahead and try out the makeup products that are in this box, the ones that I could try on, just so I can give you guys my first impressions. But here's the card this month, and the theme is Super Bloom. It's this nice, very purpley looking card. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get the skincare products out of the way first, because that's just how I like to do it. I like to save the makeup for last. Alright, so first up I'm seeing something from Elemis, and I think that's how you say it. Anyways, this is a Superfood Midnight Facial. It's a sleeping cream. And this retails for $50. I've tried several stuff from this brand, and they seem to be a decent brand. I don't know how much their products actually do stuff, but they are a pricier, nicer brand, and their products usually come in like glass jars. So this is a very nice glass pink jar, and it's got some weight to it. Yeah, I look forward to trying this out someday. Like I say this in basically all my unboxings, I have a ton of skincare from Boxycharm boxes, so that's going to be in line for a while. Alright, so next up from Base Blue Cosmetics, it is a dry and wet dual action facial cleansing wipes. So I actually tried this today just because I needed to clean my face before I did my makeup. I like to kind of wipe my face off just to prepare my face for foundation. But anyways, this side has the day wipes, then this side has the night wipes. And I tried the day one today, and it's actually a dry wipe that you have to activate underwater, whereas the night one I think is more for like taking off your makeup. So this one would be like before your makeup, kind of prepping your face, and then this one's afterwards. After your day's done, you want to wipe off all your makeup. So I only tried the day one today because, like I said, I need to clean my face beforehand. So far it was nice. I will say I don't think it says on here. I'll have to look. It doesn't say that the day wipes that you have to rinse off, but when I activated it under the water, it kind of got a little bit kind of soapy feeling, kind of like, you know how whenever you have soap on my hands, you could just tell, kind of like looks a little foamy. It did that a little bit, so when I was wiping my face off, I felt like it was leaving residue on my face. It did do a good job, I would say, of cleaning my face. Like, my face felt clean, but I did feel like I needed to rinse off my face. Whereas it doesn't say that you have to do that, but like I said, I felt the need to have to do that. I haven't tried the makeup remover part yet. I may do that after this video, to take off my makeup. But anyways, these retail for $21. And you get 10 of the day ones and 10 of the night ones. So that's not too bad. That's a pretty decent price, considering how much you're getting. And then next up, our last skincare product is something that I actually customized. This is the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Ultra Pure Facial Oil. That was a lot. And this retails for $68. I only choose skincare when that's the only option, or if I don't like the makeup option, which normally I always will pick makeup. Like I said, this is the product that I did customize, so I'm assuming the other option was skincare. It is in a nice, like, glass bottle. So I'm guessing it's like a moisturizer. It's usually what facial oils are. I'll give it a shot. I'll try it out. So next up is from LaRousse Beauty, and this is a 3-piece contour brush set. And this retails for $50. I feel like that's pretty pricey for just 3-piece brush set, but that's just my opinion. They do feel nice, like the handles feel nice and soft. The bristles feel really soft as well, so I'm sure these are really good quality. It's just, yeah, that just seems like a pretty hefty price for only 3. Anyway, so you get like a nice like angled brush. I'm assuming perfect for contour. Yeah, that looks like that'd do a really good job. So this is a flat angle brush, this is a contour blending brush, and then this is a angled shading brush. So I would maybe think if this was supposed to be like a contour set, it would probably be for like your nose. And this would probably be like for up here, and then maybe this one will be like for... I'm just assuming, but anyways, these are nice to have. I do like getting brushes. All right, and the next thing up is from KVD Beauty, and that's an XO lip gloss, and this retails for $19. And I have it in the shade Magnolia 60. Now, I honestly will not be keeping this lip gloss because this is just not a shade that I would ever use. It's very, very dark, so I'm probably going to be passing this on to a friend or family. It's just, I don't know. I'm not about these dark, vampy shades anymore. I will go ahead and swatch it because they won't care, but just look how, like, I don't know. It looks like chocolate, in my opinion. I don't know. I don't know if you guys can hear the birds chirping. I have my window open because it's nice outside. And if you hear a bunch of birds chirping, that's what that is, because it's a beautiful day today. But anyways, there's the swatch. It's just, like I say, it's just really not a shade that I would ever see myself using, so I just know I'm not going to keep this. But there you go, a lip gloss. I always feel like sometimes whenever they give us lip products, so I feel like we get a lot of weird shades from Boxycharm. Sometimes you'll get a nice nude. Those are kind of rare in my opinion. Most of the time you get weird shades that, I don't know, I don't like. Maybe I'm picky, I don't know. Alright, and then moving on, last but not least, is something from Tress Loose Beauty. This is actually a product that I customized in the box, and I got this Tress Loose Beauty palette. What is the palette called? La Flor de Mexico palette. Is what the palette is called. And this retails for $30. And I did try this product on my face today. I didn't try the lip gloss because, like I said, I'm not going to keep it, so I didn't see the point. But here's the palette. So the packaging is actually really pretty, I think. And then here's the actual palette. So like I said, I did try this out on my eyes today. From first glance, I will say the palette doesn't seem like super, I don't know, exciting, but it is a bunch of neutrals, and I do like neutrals. Maybe it's the tone of neutrals that I wasn't like drawn to, but I did try it out, and I will say the mattes I thought worked really, really well. They blended out really well, pretty pigmented. It's the shimmers that, the two that I tried, I wasn't super impressed with, and I think it's just because they work, you know, I have it on, and it looks nice, but I did have to build the shimmer up. I don't know, maybe I'm just getting spoiled because I'm used to like creamier kind of shadows from palettes that I have. I feel like these were just a tad on the dry side, and they were just, they didn't go on as easy as I would have liked them to, but I got them to work. So it does work, and like I said, I only tried out two, so maybe those two are like a drier formula. I'll try out the others. But yeah, I didn't think they were the creamiest. They were just a little on the dry side. But the look still turned out pretty in my opinion. Very nice, basic nude palette. I do like that it has kind of like this pop of green over here that I will most likely use, and I do like the look of this green shimmer over here. And then you do have some kind of like cranberry shades over here. Well, that one looks more orange, but that one looks like a cranberry. So you do have a nice variety, and I did actually like this like peach shade right here. I do like peach shades, especially on top of like a taupe shade, like a taupe brown. So yeah, I could actually see myself using this a lot. At first glance, I was like, it looks fine. But after I used it, I did like the mattes, like I said. So I will definitely use this more, and like I said, I do really like the packaging. I think that's really pretty. But yeah, $30 for that, not too shabby. Alright, so that's everything in my box, and now I'm just going to tally up everything to let you guys know the overall value, and then I will do a final run through and let you guys know whether or not I thought this month's box was worth it. Alright, so the overall value for this month's box is $238, which is pretty good considering I paid $40 for this box, I think is what the price is now. I definitely say the value is way up there, I feel like, this month. I did get some pricier items. There are at least 2 items that were $50 and one $68. Those are heftier prices right there. The pricier item was like this facial cream from Elemis, which I'm curious to try out. I don't know how often I really use night creams. I guess they're just like moisturizers you put on before bed. This item was pretty pricey. The Skin Co. facial oil was $68, and then the brush set, I believe, was the other pricier item, which I honestly don't feel like I don't know, $50 for this seems real expensive. But maybe that's just me. Maybe I'm just cheap. I don't know. But overall, I don't know. I feel like it was a bit more heavier on skincare items than I would have preferred. But then again, because the brushes I wouldn't consider. It's makeup related, but it's not makeup. You know what I mean? So 3 skincare products and then 2 makeup products and 1 makeup tool. I feel like I did get my money's worth, but I'm not blown away by this box. These are interesting to get, and I will use these, so I don't know. I do like this. Although I typically don't like skincare stuff, this is an item that I'm definitely going to use because I do like to clean my face beforehand, and sometimes I'm lazy and I don't want to go in there and just wash my face with like a cleanser. So the wipes are going to be easier to use, so I'll definitely use those, and I do use up makeup removers a lot. Although people think it's wasteful and stuff, I do find it easier to use makeup wipes. And so this products I'm curious to use. This product I'm curious to use as well, although I hope it doesn't break me out because I'm always hesitant about using oils because I don't want to look oily. But we'll see. Maybe it's really good. I would say the item that I'm least impressed with is this gloss from KVD. I don't like the shade of it. It's just not one that I would use. But so yeah, this is a product that I'm just kind of like, ugh. I like lip glosses, but I don't know why they send us crazy colors like this. But that's just my personal preference. I will say that probably the product I'm most excited about is probably the palette. I love getting eyeshadow palettes, and this one does seem like a good one. Like I said, the only complaint was the shimmers were a little on the drier side, but I still got them to work, so that's fine. I will, I'm fine with it. I would say I'm okay with this month's box. I'm not really super excited about it, but I don't feel like I got ripped off or anything. So, yeah. I would say unless there's like some items in here that you just see that you have to get, then go ahead and get it. But if you're like, not the most impressive, then I would skip this month for me personally. But yeah, that is going to do it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up because that really does help with my channel. And also let me know down in the comments what you guys thought of my box this month. Did you guys get Boxycharm Premium this month? And if you did, what did you guys think of your box? Let me know down below because I love chatting with you guys down there. But other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!